welcome to my YouTube channel. By the way, I am Laika S. Valdrias, an industrial engineering student. And for today's video, I'll be going to show you on how will I do my first activity in CAD or computer-aided design. So without further ado, let's get started!
So as you can see here in the right side of my screen, this is the figure that I will going to do. By doing this, we will discuss about the lines and coordinates, also the dimensions or measurement of this figure, and especially the different commands here in Autocad. So to start with, we will do the first command line by simply click the line command here in the upper left corner of our ribbon panel, or just simply type L and input our first coordinate 1, 1, enter. And then, for the next coordinate, just click the shift 3 or hashtag 4.1, 1, enter. And next, just type shift 3 or hashtag 4.5, 2.2, enter. Next, since it is a straight line, we will activate the ortho mode. So, type 2.3, enter. Next, since it is a diagonal line, we will remove the ortho mode. And then type 1.4, tab 30. Since it is 150, we will just minus it to 180 and we will get the 130. Next, it is a straight line. So, activate again the ortho mode and then type 2.1, enter. Next, for this line, just remove the ortho mode and then type 1.6, tab 120, enter. Next, for this line, so we will need to activate the ortho mode again and type 1.3, enter. Next, since it is a straight line again, so keep the ortho mode activate and then type 1.4, enter. Next, for this line, we will remove the ortho mode and type 2.2, tab 135. Since it is 45 and plus 90, so we will get the 135. Next, it is a straight line, so activate the ortho mode again and type 1.0, enter. And then next, it is diagonal, so remove the ortho mode and just type 1.5, tab 135. Since it is 45 and there's 180 here, so 180 minus 45, so we will get the 135 degrees. Next, for this line, so activate the ortho mode again and type 1.0, enter. Next, for this last diagonal line, it's not the last, so I'm sorry. And then, just type, remove the ortho mode and then type 2.3, tab 60, enter. So, for the last line, just connect it to the first point. So that's it. We now get the figure of our first activity. So, as you can see, our figure is not in continuous or polyline. So, to fix it, we just need to highlight the figure and then type join. You can see our lines here is now a polyline. So that's it. So before we proceed in dimensioning, we will adjust first some tools that we are going to use, like the text size and colors, and also the size of our arrows for our dimensions. So to start, just type D and click dim style. So this creates and modifies the dimension style. So just click standard and then set current and then go to modify and click the line section. So here you can choose the color that you want. So I will just edit it in the end part, and then here you can also change the color of extension lines, but I will still remain in white. And I will proceed with symbols and arrows. So I will change the text height to 1.00. So next, to the text, change the text height to 100 again, and then go to primary units and change the position to 0.0, and then go to alternative units. I think we're done, so just click OK and then set current and then close. That's all. We can now proceed in dimensioning. And now we will proceed in dimensioning. And to do that, we will just go to the ribbon panel and find the tools for the dimensioning. So as you can see in this section of our ribbon panel, we will find the linear, align, and angular. These three tools are used for dimensioning. The linear is for the straight lines, and the aligned is for the diagonal lines, and lastly, the angular is for the angles. So let's start. First, we will input the first coordinates. So just point here and then type 1, 1. And the next, click again the text and point here and type 4.1, 1. Next, click again the text here and type 4.5, 2.2. So we will now proceed to the linear and aligned dimension. So first, I will use the linear because it is a straight line. So just point here and point also here and set it. So we will have the 2.3. Align and point here and here, 1.4. Next, the straight line, again the linear, and then here and here, and 2.1. Next, click the align, point it here and here, and immediately 1.6. Next, click the linear, just point it here and here, and lastly 1.6. Next, just linear again. Next, we will use the align because this is diagonal. Point here and here. Next, click again the aligned and point it here and here. Let me try it. So that's it. And next, just click the linear again. Click here and here. And we have 1.0. Next, click the align again and click here and here. 2.3. So we're all done in linear and align dimension. So we will now proceed in putting the angles. So we will change this to angular and then click this line and this line and put it 150 degrees. Next, click this line and this line and all together 150 degrees. Next, click this line and this line, you will get the angle of 45 degrees. Next, by clicking the angular again, click this line and this line, you will get to 60 degrees. So as you can see, there's an angle here and here, but before that, we must draw first the line where it has an angle. With that, just click the line and then draw the line and then click the line and then touch it, and then as you can see in this picture, it has a small space here, so I will just move it. So just click the line and then type the M and move. Again. Now get the area. Get the 100 degrees. So we'll do the same here. Okay, just click the line. And then this line, and we will get the 45 degrees. So that's it. We completely put the dimensions. So now that we are done in dimensioning, we will now proceed to editing by doing some changes in colors and the width of our polyline. So to start, I will make the polyline look more visible. Just click edit polyline and say select polyline. So we will just select it and then click the width and type 0.05, enter. So as you can see, our polyline really looks more visible. And then the next thing that I want to edit is the color of our polyline. So I will just go to properties and click the bilayer and choose the color that I want. So this is orange. So that's it. This is my first activity in CAD. Thank you and Have a nice day.